Let us understand the step-by-step process of creating receipts or receipt vouchers in StrategicERP. In receipt voucher form, under Finance module, select the project name and voucher date for the receipt entry. The company name will auto-populate based on your selection. Select the ledger name, from which the amount is receivable. Enter the total amount received, which represents the actual amount received. You can also enter other details such as the receipt mode and the bank cash account where the money will be received. You can view the live status of your bank and ledger balances, providing a real-time update on the available balances in your accounts. Check receipt against bill if you are receiving payment against a particular bill. Based on this selection, the sales bill details section will auto-populate. Any existing bills associated with the selected ledger will appear for selection under the Sales Bill Details tab. If you are creating a direct receipt, deselect the receipt against bill checkbox and select HSC code and tax code if applicable. If there are any multiple debit-credit entries, select the Multiple Debit-Credit checkbox. Once approved, the system will generate an auto-entry for the receipt. You can view all created receipts under the History tab. This completes the process of creating receipt vouchers in StrategicERP.